Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, erase all of these broken dreams and flight. And we'll
This is the problem with these French campsites, they're just overcrowded. You have to get down here first thing in the morning and put your towel by the bed. Try and take a corner, try and find a sunbed. Absolute crazy. I don't know why we come here.
No idea, just can't get sunbed.
Oh, that looks dirty. How good is that? Oh, shoes off the decking.
Contravening the rules, go and get your feet in the water.
I'm going to go and put my feet in the water and then I'm going to go in.
Single day this holiday we've had to have a slight discussion about the hat.
Oh.
Turn around, that, people, is what I'm dealing with several times a day.
Oh, well, the bits come out of the back. It's
every time he puts it on, a bit comes out the back. One day he'll learn to dress himself.
One day when I'm all grown up.
What now? What have you done?
I don't know. Now what have I done? Oh my god. Maybe I should just stop wearing a hat. So we've just come for a little walk into the town and we've stumbled across this. So there's some kind of food event going on today. There's a band set up over there. That'd be pretty cool. Some food, some drink, full of beer. Okay, so we're going to go and sit right close to the music.
And the sun will go down there first, we won't be blinded.
Yeah. Really? So a village fete.
Tout au long des prochains mois.
That's all this is.
Avec la SI pour la jeunesse arélienne, sachez-le. On fera un petit détour du côté des producteurs et
I
artisans
think it's time I sent you off to get a beer.
avant de laisser place à la musique live aux alentours de 20h.
A beer, please, yeah. If they do bottles of water, we might want one of them. Oh, very nice.
Merci. Merci.
Well, we could learn from this, couldn't we?
Alors, mesdames, je vais présenter cette fois une femme avec des hommes bien habillés. Parce que c'est
Good morning. We are still at Saint, believe it or not, even if you, that's what it's called, down there. And you might think, yeah, I can say that. However, when you hear how it's pronounced, it will come as a surprise. So yep, we're still here. It's a lovely campsite. It's a bit overcast today. Flat skies. It's still around 23 degrees. So it's nice and warm still. Just put our jackets on because of the difference between today and yesterday. It dropping 10 degrees. There's a slight breeze. So I think we're going to go for a game of crazy golf on the site. The site itself. Yeah, so see if you can see this. So that at the back there, that's the toilets up there, and each road is a separate level, which goes all the way along. It's really nice site. So five levels back. You'll see we're one level from the front. That's the road in. It's really quiet. You've got your swimming pool just there. But this lake's lovely as well. I don't know if you can see, but there's a path that goes all the way around. You can follow that right the way around the lake, over to the other side, back around the front of the campsite, which is nice. So we've just treated ourselves to a couple of ham, cheese and tomato toasties. We're going to go and burn off some calories now and walk around this lake. See what it's like. It's like a little road up there, and there's a car going up there. Must be a road, must be nice for the bikes as well. So if you've got children, you've got pedlos you can use down here. The beach is closed off at the moment because they're giving it, there's some algae in there. So they're sorting that out at the moment every couple of years. So they recommend not swimming. People were swimming in here yesterday. And I can't see any at all. But better to be safe than sorry, I suppose. Yeah, so have a little walk around here. Lovely area. And the town is about a 10-minute, 20-minute walk that way. And we'll take our bikes down there a bit later. Ah, what are these then? Bars parallel. Go on then, have a go. Now make your way to the end.
Oh, you do it.
Alright.
Go and show them how it's supposed to be done.
Oh, I don't know how it's meant to be done.
Go.
Like that. Voila! Très bien! Ouch! Oh, here we go. Another exercise. Put your back into it, jump. You'll get up there. Oh, 999 again, here we go. Don't blame me on your sandwich. Just trying to hide it, let me come around here a bit. I know. Go on then. That didn't look like a jump to me. Okay, let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I can reach it. Well, how am I going to reach it if you can?
You're a bit bigger than me.
Bigger than those, you didn't say cool.
Takes the mick out of me. One at a time. Yeah.
Come and stand underneath that one a minute. How are you meant to get up to that? Well, let's get. Wow, that's it. 999 dentist needed. Just film the top. Thanks to Leonie for our little barbecue present to sit inside Hugo, and it's working a treat, let me tell you that for nothing. We've got a nice bit of pork, and we're about to do a bit of pasta, sweet corn, broccoli, tomatoes, peppers, cucumber, and an onion, and pork and chicken skewers, and we'll top our pasta off with Borton. That is the saviour of camping food. Put that with pasta, a bit of broccoli, a bit of chicken, and you'll have a lovely meal, trust me. Do you know what time it is?
Ludo o'clock.
Ludo time. Our favourite camping pastime. So we're going to set ourselves up in here. There it is already. Well, good morning, and a glorious morning it is. Claire's still in bed. I was going to tell you what time it is. I don't know what the time is. What's the time? Can't even speak.
10:30.
Oh, it's 10:30. There she is, in there. Morning. Oh, she's just pulled her knickers up over her face. That's what that is, folks. This campsite is also cheap, so we just booked for another 3 nights because we don't want to pack up anymore. We're just going to sit back and relax, and the weather's meant to be really warming up. Sorry?
4 nights.
Oh, so we just got an extra 4 nights for €66. So a bit later on, just over, ooh, where's my arm going? Just up the road, I don't know if you can see that in the background, where we walked yesterday. But this road up, what leads up here, that leads up to the big supermarket. So I think we're going to go up there and get a couple of beers, maybe a bottle of wine for the Ludo Championship that might take place tonight, because we're completely kicking it here. And yes, that's just up the road up there. The main town, gotta get this right, yep, the main town, you just follow this path all the way down and that leads into town. About 20 minutes they say on foot, so I reckon it's about a mile then. But perfect for a little bike ride. And then we're going to conquer the hill, I think, a bit later and pop up to the shops and do a little bit of restocking. So, beer, food, beer, food. Now to get this back to the campsite.